Hi children, welcome back to online class. In the previous class, you have studied about addition. I hope you understood. Today's class, let us study about subtraction. So you have studied what is addition. Addition means adding or putting together, isn't it? Now, what is subtraction? Let us see. See, I have here 4 pencils, okay? How many pencils are there now? 4 are there. I will take away 2 pencils from this. Okay. There were 4 pencils earlier. I have taken away 2 pencils. I'll give it to somebody else. How many pencils are left now? You can see how many? 1, 2. How many are left now? 2 pencils. Isn't it? So, how many were there earlier? There were 4 pencils. Okay. So, there were 4 pencils earlier. And from out of 4 pencils, I have taken away how many pencils? Taken away 2 pencils, isn't it? I have taken away 2 pencils, and how many left? 2 pencils are left. 2 pencils left, isn't it? This is called as subtraction. Okay, this is called as subtraction. So what you will do in subtraction? In subtraction, you will remove things or you will take away. Okay, taking away or removing is called as subtraction. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away or removing is called as subtraction. So there were 4 pencils earlier. And out of 4 pencils, I have taken away how many pencils? 2 pencils. So, for this, I have written the symbol, this line, isn't it? This is called as minus. Okay, what is this? This is minus. This is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, this is symbol of subtraction. While subtracting, we use this symbol, minus. So, minus means subtraction, taking away, removing. So, when the symbol is given, what you have to do? You have to remove things. How many things are asked? That many you have to remove. Okay. So, 4 minus 2. We read it as 4 minus 2 gives rise to or equal to, how many left? 2 left. Got it? 4 minus 2 equals 2. Means there were 4 pencils. I have removed 2 pencils, and how many are left? 2 pencils are left. This is called as subtraction. Okay, this is called as subtraction. So, for subtraction, we use this symbol that is called as minus. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Like this, we write it. Okay. So, open page number 60 in your textbook, okay? Count the object and write the number in the boxes. It is given here like this. So, see here. How many birds are there here? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many birds are there? 6. So, write in the box 6. Okay, like this. Here write in the box 6. Next. Birds flew away. How many birds flew away? Count here. 1, 2, 3. How many birds fly away? 3 birds. So, write here 3. So, earlier there was 6 birds. From 6 birds, out of 6 birds, 3 birds fly away. Now, how many birds are left? After flying away, you can count here. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 3. So, 6 minus 3, okay, 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Like this, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Next one, see here. How many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. 5 bananas are there. How many bananas are eaten? You can see here 1, 2. 2 bananas are eaten. There were 5 bananas. From out of 5 bananas, 2 are eaten. Okay. So 2 bananas are eaten. After eating, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. How many left? 3 bananas left. So right here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next one. Balloons are given here. How many balloons are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there? 8 balloons are there. So write in the box 8. Out of 8 balloons, how many balloons burst? Burst ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಡೆದೋಗೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು balloon ಒಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons burst away. So write here 4. So now how many balloons are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons left. So 8 balloons are there. Minus 4 burst away. How many left? Equals 4. Next one. So here in this, how many fishes are there in this aquarium? 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. Okay. And how many fish taken away? We have taken 2 fishes out of the aquarium. 2. How many fish left? 1 fish left. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, this is called as subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Okay, taking away. So we use the symbol minus for subtraction. So minus means taken away. Minus is removing things. So subtraction. Next, let us see subtraction by crossing out. Means drawing lines. So here you can see out of 5 apples. So here there are 5 apples. Out of 5 apples, 2 apples are eaten. Eaten, how they have showed here? By drawing, by crossing out. By crossing out. So 2 apples are crossed out. How many left? 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Open page number 62. Okay. See here. How many ducklings are there here? How many ducklings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, write in the first box 10. Okay. How many? 10. So, 10 ducklings are there. And out of 10 ducklings, they have given here 2 ducklings flew away. To fly away. ಎರಡು ಹಾರೋಯ್ತು. ಹೇಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ? ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎರಡು ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. 2 ducklings fly away. Now how many ducklings are left? So 10 were there. 2 flew away. How many left? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ducklings left. Okay. There were 10 ducklings minus 2 flew away is equal to 8. Next one. Out of 7 candles. So how many candles are there here? 7 candles. So write in the first box 7. 4 candles blew off. 4 candles blew off. So you have to cross out how many candles? 4 candles. So cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 candles are there. 4 candles blew off. Means like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to cross out. Okay. So 7. Total 7 candles were there. Minus 4 blew off. How many left? 1, 2, 3. 3 candles left. So same we have to write here. 7 are there. 4 blown away. Next. How many are left? 3 left. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next, out of 8 kids. Here, 8 kids are there. How many? 8. 5 girls went away. 5 girls went away. So you have to cross out 5 girls. Write here 5 and cross out 5 girls. Find and cross out the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls went away. So how many left now? 1, 2, 3. 3 boys left there. Next, out of 9 brooms, 9 brooms are there. 6 brooms were removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are removed. How many left? 1, 2, 3. 6 removed, 3 left. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So like this you have to subtract the things. Next, let us see subtraction facts. Subtraction by 0. See, here I have 4 pencils, okay. So I have 4 pencils here. I will not remove any pencils from here. I will not take away any pencils from here. So there are 4 pencils. I will remove 0 pencils. 0 means nothing. I am not removing anything. How many left? 4 pencils left, isn't it? So how we can write this? We can write it like this. There are 4 pencils minus I am not removing anything. Means I am removing 0. 0 in the sense nothing. Yenu tegita illa anta artha. So 4 minus 0 is equal to what? How many left here? 4 itself. So 4. Okay. 4 itself. So subtraction by 0 means when you subtract 0 from any number, what do you get? You get the number itself. You get the same number. Okay. When you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. 0 means nothing. You are not removing anything. Hence, the number remains same. Okay. Number remains same. So, 3 minus 0 is equal to what? You are not removing anything. Hence, the number remains same. So, 3 itself. Okay. 3 itself. This is subtraction by 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, the number remains same. Answer is the number itself. Next, subtraction by 1. So, when you subtract 1 from any number, for example, I have 4 pencils here. If I remove 1 pencil out of it, how many left now? 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3. So, there were 4 pencils earlier. I have removed 1 pencil from it. How many left? 3 pencils left. So, what is this 3? This is just before 4. 3 comes just before 4, isn't it? 4 before 3. Before number. So, when you remove 1 from any number, what comes? We will get before number. Okay? We get before number. So, 6 minus 1 is what? You have to write 6 before what? 5. So, 6 minus 1 is 5. Like this. Okay? This is subtraction fact. When 0 is removed, the number remains same. When 1 is removed, you will get the before number. And next, if you subtract same number, what happens? So, I have 4 pencils here, okay? 4 pencils are there. And I will remove all the 4 pencils from here. Means I was having 4 pencils and I'll give all 4 pencils to my friend. Now, how many left with me? Do I have pencils here? No. Means 0, isn't it? So there were 4 pencils earlier and I have taken all the 4 pencils out. How many left now? 0. I don't have pencils now. So 0 means when any number is subtracted from the same number, what do we get? We get 0. Clear? So here in this box, I have 4 balls. Okay. Okay, let me take 3 balls. I have 3 balls here and I will give all the 3 balls to my friend. Means I am giving all the 3 balls to my friends. How many balls are left in the box now? No balls are left, isn't it? So there were 3 balls earlier. I have given all the 3 balls. So I don't have balls now. Means 0. Clear? So if a number is subtracted from the same number, what do we get? We get 0. Okay? We get 0. So these 3 are the subtraction facts. So first one is when 0 is subtracted from any number. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number as the answer. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next, when 1 is subtracted from the number, what do we get? Before number. Means 3 minus 1 is 2. Before is 2. 3 before 2. In the same way, when any number subtracted from the same number, means 4 minus 4, what happens? We get 0. Isn't it? We get 0. These 3 are the subtraction facts. So let us see. Fill in the boxes or fill in the blanks. By using these concepts, you have to fill in the blanks. First one, 3 minus 0 is equal to dash. What comes here? 3 minus 0 is what? Number itself. When 0 is removed from any number, what do we get? Same number. So, 3. Second one, 5 minus 1 is equal to dash. When 1 is subtracted from the number, what do we get? Before number. Means 5 minus 1 is 4. Third one, 6 minus 6 is equal to dash. When any number subtracted from the same number, what do we get? 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Here. So like this, you have to solve it. I hope you understood. I'll give you the sums neatly right in your classroom. Thank you.